All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So drips, drips, and drabs. Drabs, yeah. Slowly and in small amounts. Yeah, so slowly, small amounts here, small amount there. Drips and drabs. By drips and drabs, they all came back one by one, slowly. Yeah, drips. Let's try and get a water, like drip. Here we are, drip. Like, here we are, let's try that, there we are. Yeah, drips. Just drips. Eventually, yeah, things eventually happened. Things eventually happened, drips and drabs. Things eventually happened. Yeah, drips and drabs. Yeah, eventually. Yeah. They are arriving here in drips and drabs. Drips and drabs, they eventually got here. Yeah. Drips and drabs, they eventually got here. Yeah, eventually. Yeah, drips and drabs, it's slowly. By drips and drabs, it's slowly changing. By drips and drabs, it is slowly changing, and things are improving slowly. Eventually, slowly. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So all the pieces arrived in drips and drabs. How long will this take? Oh, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little extra. So all this, it is taking a long time for all the things to arrive. By drips and drabs, they arrive every day. You were waiting for these parcels. Yeah. Oh, exactly. Yeah. Drips and drabs. Yeah. We're just waiting. Oh, waiting and waiting for all these things to arrive. Yeah. Yeah. Drips and drabs. They all arrive over time. Oops. Yeah. So, drips and drabs, they will arrive over time. Yeah. Over time, eventually. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So, things happen over time, slowly and in small amounts. Here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Very nice. How cool is that? Yeah, so, can you use drips and drabs in a sentence? Yeah. Comment below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.